Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to this channel. So this video we are going to study about the soil microbiology. So in the previous section we have discussed about the bacteria and how they play important role in the soil microbiology. We have discussed that bacteria play important role in four cycles: phosphorus, sulfur, carbon and nitrogen cycle. So now we are going to see what are the other microbes which are present in the soil. So the actinomycetes are present, so they are actually actinobacteria, so they are the group of gram positive bacteria are present in it. So it is a type of bacteria, not a fungi. Okay, so what are the importance of it? So first they that are mostly important as a decomposers. They are decomposing cellulose and chitin. They are nutritionally important. They help in the humus formation and release odor of soil, very beautiful odor and very good and pleasant odor from the soil after the rain. And it also helps to produce antibiotics like spectromycin. So you will say that it is a bacteria and it is producing antibacterial drugs. So yes, there are some bacteria which help in production of antibiotics. Okay, now let's discuss about their examples. So saccharomycin and dermatophilus cholangiensis are their examples. Now discuss their characteristics. So they have some characteristics like bacteria and some characteristics are like fungi. So the characteristics which are similar to bacteria are they are prokaryotes. They resemble the bacteria in their shape, in their size and in their staining properties. And secondly, they are sensitive to the antibacterial drugs. They are similar to fungi in their formation, in their shape, in their branching properties, in their spore formation, and lastly in the reproductive methods. Now let's discuss the other microbe which is present in the soil. So after the bacteria, the fungi is the second abundant most microbe which is present in the soil. So what is the importance of it? It has nutritionally importance. It can occur as a pathogens in the soil. It has symbiotic relationship with various plant, help in the growth of these plants, increase the growth of plant, and helpful for use as a source of food not only for humans but also for the animals. Now, what are the factors affecting their growth? So, first factor is the pH, that they can survive in the acidic pH. About moisture, they love to live in dry environment. Oxygen demands are they are aerobic, so they are dependent on the oxygen, and they need a good quality of organic matter for them. So where the organic matter is more, then there the fungal growth is more and more. Now let's discuss about the classification of fungi. So this is the classification of fungi. So saprophytic fungi are the decomposers. They are decomposing dead matter, like oyster mushroom is the example of it. And then mutualistic fungi are called as mycorrhizal fungi. So these fungi have symbiotic relationship with the roots of that plant. So they are helping in order to provide the nutrition to that plant, and in result the plant is providing organic material to that fungi. Examples of these bacteria are ectomycorrhizae and endomycorrhizae. Some are pathogenic fungi. They cause the death of the plant and also cause diseases in them. Actually, how they cause disease and what are the mechanism of it? Actually, they penetrate into the tissues of the plant and then destroy the living tissues of that plant and cause its death. So examples of these pathogenic fungi are Pythium, Rhizocetonia, and Phytophthora. So these are the examples of it. Now let's discuss what are the some infections are also caused due to fungi and what are these infections. Let's discuss them. So here are some infections which occur due to fungi, like penicillium is causing the allergy, aspergillus is also allergy causing fungi, and pulmonary blastomosis is a fungi which is causing asthma. Now let's discuss about the algae, which is also a microbe present in the soil. So it is autotrophic. It is can prepare their own food. They are autotrophic. With the help of light they prepare their food. So what are the location of it? They are present in the tropical soil, means on the above layer of soil, and in the temperate region of soil. Examples of them are blue green algae and grass green algae. Both of them are prokaryotic and they prepare their own food by with the help of photosynthesis. 100 Let's discuss about the abundance. So 100 to 10 thousand algae are present in 1 gram of soil. What are the factors affecting it? So the sunlight required for them should be moderate, not very high, and the moisture should be well available because they love moisture, and the pH should be from 7 to 14, meaning from neutral to alkaline pH. Now what discuss about their importance. So help in nitrogen fixation, soil increase the soil fertility, and maintaining the health of that soil, bind with the soil particles and keep them to adhesive, and add organic matters more and more into the soil. Now let's discuss the last microbe which is present in soil. This is the protozoa. They are eukaryotic, and their distribution is from 10,000 to 1 million, and they belong to kingdom Protista. Location is on the topical soil on the upper layer of soil. Characteristics are they have cyst and wrist stage on them, that they form a spore around them and protect them in the severe conditions. So therefore their factors are mainly pH, temperature and moisture, and they can be reproduced through the binary fission and through the budding process. And there are some classification of protozoa in three classes: flagellates, amoeba and ciliates. So flagellates are those which have flagella for their movement, and they contain outer layer which is called as pedicellus, so they have a fixed shape. Amoeba don't have pedicellus or outer layer in them, so therefore they have no fixed shape, and cilia have pedicels around them. So their locomotor projection is flagella, their motor projection is pseudopodia, and their locomotor projection is cilia. How they reproduce? It reproduces by binary fission. It reproduce. It has no. It also reproduced by the binary fission, and ciliates are produced by the transfer fusion. So this was all about the today's lecture. I hope that you will understand this lecture. If you like this lecture, then please subscribe to this channel, and if you want more like these videos, then please press the bell icon in order to get all the notification up to date. So thank you so much for liking this video, for subscribing to my channel. Meet you soon in the next lecture. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.